Okay, the idea was not to have one plate on top of the other. We did this experiment back in 2006, and we've been working with this with small plates, one on top of the other. And trust me, it works very good. We never changed the taper, but it was working fine. But now we decided to come with a dual, and coming soon too. We already have the trio. That is it's amazing. It's very nice. Um, but anyways, the dual has a lot of benefits. You can do the biggest blade, the smallest blades, like in no time. It will copy the hologram right away because the taper is being changed. So now it's like having two plates in each side. So totally. Order yours now. Dual is like four times better. The dual plate can be purchased at www.sharpeningtech.com. Call us to place your order 916 681 6945 826 9003. Become a friend on Facebook. Ruben Roldan. Sharpening Tech. Keep watching our videos. We will have more very soon with more advanced equipment. With the dual plate now, you can sharpen the smallest blade that is hard to sharpen with any other machine. With the dual plate, it's very, very easy.